Welcome back to our channel name. Today, we're exploring a topic that's crucial for both men and women: sex hormones. These hormones play a vital role in our overall health, mood, and vitality. So, how can we naturally boost them? In this video, we'll discuss the best ways to increase sex hormones, focusing on diet, lifestyle changes, and other natural methods. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly cover what sex hormones are. The primary sex hormones are testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone. These hormones are responsible for regulating sexual development, reproductive function, and even influencing mood and energy levels. As we age, hormone levels naturally decline, which can affect libido, muscle mass, and overall well-being. Tip number 1. Eat a hormone-boosting diet. Your diet plays a huge role in hormone production. Incorporating foods rich in healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and oily fish, can help your body produce more testosterone and estrogen. Additionally, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale are great for balancing hormone levels. Don't forget to include plenty of protein to support muscle mass and overall hormone health. Tip number 2. Get regular exercise. Physical activity, especially strength training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can naturally increase testosterone levels in men and balance estrogen levels in women. Exercise also reduces stress, which is essential because chronic stress can lead to hormone imbalances. Tip number 3. Manage stress effectively. Stress is one of the biggest disruptors of hormone balance. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, which can interfere with sex hormone production. Incorporating stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply spending time in nature can help keep your hormones in check. Tip number 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for hormone regulation. During deep sleep, your body produces and releases key hormones, including testosterone and growth hormone. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establishing a regular sleep routine can significantly improve your hormone levels and overall health. Tip number 5. Consider natural supplements. Certain supplements can help boost your hormone levels naturally. For example, zinc and magnesium are known to support testosterone production, while vitamin D can improve overall hormone balance. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Tip number 6. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, can lead to hormone imbalances. Maintaining a healthy weight through diet and exercise can help regulate sex hormone levels. On the flip side, being underweight can also affect hormone production, so finding a balance is key. Tip number 7. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for all bodily functions, including hormone production. Dehydration can lead to increased cortisol levels, which can negatively impact your sex hormones. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day to keep your body and hormones functioning optimally. Tip number 8. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can severely disrupt hormone balance. Alcohol can increase estrogen levels and decrease testosterone, while smoking can damage hormone-producing glands. Reducing or eliminating these habits can have a positive impact on your hormone health. Tip number 9. Foster positive relationships and intimacy. Human connection and intimacy can naturally boost hormone levels, particularly oxytocin, which is often called the love hormone. Positive relationships reduce stress and promote overall hormonal balance. Tip number 10. Regular medical checkups. Hormone levels can be affected by various health conditions. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help you monitor your hormone levels and catch any imbalances early. Your doctor may also recommend specific treatments or lifestyle changes to support healthy hormone levels. Those are 10 effective ways to naturally increase your sex hormones and improve your overall health. Remember, Small changes can lead to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay balanced, and we'll see you in the next video.